Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine columns in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I combine columns in this blank document. At first, you have to insert a table. Go to insert menu and click this table option. Now you can see here are table templates option. Now draw your table. Now select these tables and make width better. Now icon 1 pt to 4.5 pt. Now click outside these tables. Now you can see here are my table. Now I combine columns in these tables. You can select these two columns, then go to format menu. Now press table option. Then you can see here are merge cells. Just press merge cells. Now you can see I combine columns in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.